But we're, ano daw,
Skyscraper. Skyscraper. Oh, bago ni Bruno Mars, oh, It Will
Better,
Rain.
so you'll sing, like, Tagalog song.
I don't mind as long as I learn it. I'll learn it fast.
Yeah, that's yung duet natin. And Tintin.
That's the one, the... How kita... Na-na-na-na. Right?
Ano yun?
They change it.
They changed it?
Yeah,
Ano
nandun.
yun? Ano yun, sweetie dyan?
Hindi to bola.
Mahal kita,
Hindi to bola.
Okay.
It's a cute song.
Wait. It's better. It's like better kasi
Roy?
mas pang lucky yun. It's like
that.
It's funner.
Okay,
It's not
okay.
serious.
Not such a serious song. Okay, that's good. I don't know.
Tapos na.
Mahal kita.
Like
Dito bola. This is not like bola is like discarte or parang
This is not like
false praise.
On a ball?
Bola is ball din, pero there's bola na like false praise.
Okay.
Like, oh, you're so beautiful. That's bola.
Yeah.
Mahal kita, hindi to bola.
Hindi ito joke. Parang ganun.
Hindi to joke. Oh, this is not a joke.
Okay lang kayo, guys.
Walang kami.
Shower na.
Bitin pala sa'yo yung pagtalon mo, Kuya Ting. Bitin pala yan.
Bluff.
Hindi ano to?
Ball bluff.
What's your
Black
draw?
pala yun, bola.
So many word, one word can describe anything.
Just like the English language.
But not as much as
No.
ball, lottery draw, and
Not yet.
Anong regalo mo? Walas din?
Hindi ko alam.
Oh, yeah?
Like the English
Bisaya.
language.
Wala ko
Ball.
kahibaw.
Okay,
Bisaya.
Ibawaw?
Hibalo.
mean, like meaning, mean like you're mean. Or mean like
Wala ko kahibalo.
Okay.
Yun yung argument namin ni Carlo.
Dum,
He said, so many words though, it's similar, but different. Same word.
I'm like, no, it's not the same. It's different here.
Pamilya ko.
I was so out of it that day.
Eto na
So
I
out
just
of it.
had that.
So slow. Nahilo ka kanina?
Oh.
Nahilo ka?
Gumagano ka? Okay. Pa? Ay, sino pa? Tinry ko lang kung
That's why there's black
malambot
lines
o
around it.
patigas.
Para.
Sorry pa.
Because they want people to know that it spins. I thought they just
Sige
painted it
rating, makukuha
badly,
mo na yung damit mo sa storage mo.
but it's because it spins.
Hindi,
Opa.
makukuha mo na yung gamit mo sa storage mo.
Sige pa.
Your present?
Hindi.
The clothes.
Does he know what his present is? About that?
You said not yet. Welcome to the birthday boy. Wala pang ano. Siguro anong tonight. Ano ba ngayon?
Wait, Divine?
Mm-hmm.
Are we dancing just to
Ako
one
next
song,
afternoon,
or
ano?
are we cutting songs?
I don't know. I don't mind. We can dance to 3 songs or 1 song.
I mean, that's correct.
But it just depends on Roy because I don't know any Pinoy songs. Especially dancing Pinoy songs. No. Wonder if Yeah, let's practice as soon as we get the music.
Yes, ma'am.
Because I have the choreo, I just need to set it to the beats.
Yes, ma'am.
Confession room. Ayay, may secret task. Lulululululu. Alulululululu. Ikaw ay nasa langit na.
Yan pa rin gagamitin mo naman.
Ito?
Hindi.
I think we have to go to the rooms. Tapos they'll take this out. And then we'll come back out.
I hate it when people cut their nails and there's nothing underneath.
Sana.
So dirty. Sorry.
Slater, is it
Nice.
pronounced E1 or I1?
Ewan.
A1?
Eh.
A?
So that's why it's A, E,
Sa
O,
amin,
U.
pre, ba? Ewan sa inyo na. I1 sa amin. I1.
Shower, having a shower birthday boy.
I1 ko?
It's spelled E-W-A-N?
E, one.
E.